I've purchased and tested these electric handheld planers, so you don't have to waste your hard-earned money. Trust me, I know how overwhelming it can be to find the right tool for your projects. Let's dive into the top 5 options on the market right now and see which ones are worth your time and investment. Product number 1. WEN 6530 6-amp electric hand planer. When I first got my hands on the WEN 6530, I was pleasantly surprised by its lightweight design. Weighing in at just 6.5 pounds, it's easy to maneuver, even for extended periods. The 6-amp motor is no joke, delivering up to 34,000 cuts per minute. This power was evident as I passed it over some rough-cut lumber. The adjustable cutting depth with 16 positive stops ranging from 0 to 1/8 inches made it incredibly versatile. I found myself switching between thicknesses seamlessly, which is a huge plus for any DIY enthusiast or contractor. Using the 5/16" rabbiting guide, I was able to create clean, precise rabbets up to 1 inch deep, which is something I often need for framing projects. The included dust bag did a decent job of collecting shavings, but I still recommend using a shop vac for larger jobs. The kickstand is a thoughtful addition, allowing me to set the tool down without worrying about damaging the blades or my work surface. Pros of the WEN 6530 include its affordability, lightweight design, and impressive motor speed. However, it does have a few cons. The dust collection could be improved, and the build feels a bit less robust than higher-end models. But for the price, I believe the performance is more than satisfactory. So why should you consider buying the WEN 6530? It's perfect for beginners or those on a budget who still want a reliable tool that gets the job done. If you're looking for simplicity without sacrificing performance, this is a solid choice. Product number 2. dewalt 20V Max Planer. Up next is the dewalt 20V Max Planer. As a fan of their tools, I was eager to see how this one performed. The brushless motor is a game changer, providing not just power but also extending the runtime significantly. With a whopping 30,000 cuts per minute, this planer is built for rapid stock removal. I was impressed by the calibrated depth adjustment knob that can fine-tune cuts to 256 inches. Talk about precision. The first time I used it, I immediately felt the difference in control and balance. The precision machined aluminum shoes ensured that my cuts were parallel and consistent, which is vital for any woodworking project. The kickstand feature was also beneficial, preventing gouges in the material while I repositioned the tool. However, it's worth noting that this is a bare tool, so be prepared to invest in a battery and charger if you don't already have one. The price point is on the higher end, but the durability and performance justify the cost. Pros include its powerful brushless motor, precision depth adjustments, and excellent build quality. On the downside, it lacks a battery and charger in the package, making it a larger upfront investment. So why buy the dewalt 20V Max Planer? If you're serious about woodworking and want a tool that matches your ambition, this planer will not disappoint. It's a fantastic investment for anyone looking to elevate their craft. Product number 3. Bosch PL2632K. Next, let's talk about the Bosch PL2632K. Right out of the box, I appreciated the sleek design and the weight distribution. It's a bit heavier at 14.53 pounds, but it feels solid in your hands. The 6.5 AMP motor cranks out 16,500 RPM, which delivers a smooth finish and quick material removal. I particularly liked the dual mount guide fence, which can be attached on either side for left or right-handed users. This feature really made a difference in my workflow, allowing for consistent planing no matter which direction I approached my project. The ratcheting depth knob is a standout feature, enabling easy adjustments from 0 to 2.6 millimeters, 3/32 inch, without needing to recalibrate constantly. Plus, the ejection control feature lets you direct shavings either way, reducing cleanup time significantly. The reversible Bosch wood razor micro-grain carbide blades were also a highlight. They last longer than standard blades, which means fewer replacements. pros of the Bosch PL2632K include its powerful motor, user-friendly features, and high-quality blades. However, the weight might deter some users, and the price is higher compared to some basic models. So why should you consider the Bosch PL2632K? If you're looking for a tool that combines power with precision and offers great features for professionals and serious hobbyists alike, this planer is worth the investment.
Product number 4, the WEN 6534 8-amp electric hand planer. The WEN 6534 caught my eye next, especially with its powerful 8-amp motor. It's impressive to see that it can deliver up to 32,000 cuts per minute, making it more than capable for heavy-duty projects. I found the 4 3/8 inch cutting capacity fantastic for planing larger pieces like 2x4s and 4x4s. The 16 positive stops for depth adjustment were intuitive, allowing me to set my desired thickness with ease. The two-way dust port is another thoughtful feature. I could choose to eject shavings to the left or right depending on my workspace setup. This feature kept my work area cleaner and more organized. The automatic kickstand was also useful for avoiding damage to my workpiece when I needed to set the planer down. The pros of the WEN 6534 include its powerful motor, wide cutting capacity, and versatile dust port. The cons are mainly related to its weight, which is slightly heavier at 9.5 pounds, making it less portable. Why should you buy the WEN 6534? If you need a reliable, powerful tool for serious woodworking, this planer will serve you well. It's designed for efficiency and simplicity, making it a great choice for both novices and experienced woodworkers.
Product number 5, WEN 6528 3.8 amp electric hand planer. Finally, let's take a look at the WEN 6528. This is a more compact option with a 3.8 amp motor that can still produce up to 32,000 cuts per minute. Weighing only 4.3 pounds, it's incredibly lightweight and easy to handle, making it perfect for smaller projects or for those who may struggle with heavier tools. I found the depth adjustment to be straightforward with 9 positive stops, allowing for quick changes between cuts. The onboard storage for the blade adjustment wrench is a clever touch, ensuring that you won't lose it during your work. The kickstand feature also protects your work surface, which is a must-have for any tool. Though it doesn't have the same power as some of the other models, it's still a reliable option for everyday use. Pros include its lightweight design, user-friendly features, and affordability. The downside is the lower amp rating, which might limit its effectiveness for larger jobs. Why should you consider the WEN 6528? If you're looking for a budget-friendly, easy-to-use planer for light to moderate tasks, this tool is an excellent choice. It's perfect for beginners or anyone who values portability without sacrificing performance.
To wrap it up, each of these electric handheld planers has its unique strengths. Whether you're a seasoned pro or just starting out, there's a perfect tool for you in this list. Don't forget to choose one that fits both your needs and budget. Happy woodworking!